do it.
Whoa.
Come on, Royal.
You don't
Go
have
get
to do
him.
it either. Go.
No, because we're somebody.
Exactly. Go get it now while you can.
Come on.
Go, Royal.
Ellen.
Yeah.
Very smart.
Smart, huh?
Smart boy, huh? I'm not gonna do it. You're still holding it, Papa. Put it here and then leave it. You're gonna get it, Papa. If you put it here, because he knows you're holding it. There, Papa, let it go. Go, go, go.
Go.
Go get him.
Come on. Come on.
It's a trick now, Dad. Messed it all up.
No, he's gonna go for it.
Go get him. Go get it, Royal.
Here. Additional foam with your car.
Yeah, that too.
Oh, he's going to you.
What's
Watch
up?
him, Isel. His head.
Now he needs those pants with pads.
Come on, grab.
Oh. Oh.
Stand up.
Go ahead. Careful. He got it.
No, I want to make him stand. Can you stand?